straw blend. Today I'm going to be making a really simple, delicious hot chocolate recipe. So I'm going to be using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i and the brand new to Australia Aer disc container. So you can see how different that disc looks. So this container is perfect for emulsifying, frothing, making mayonnaise, making cocktails, muddling. So we're going to start with some soy milk. So it's really handy. We've got all of our measurements up the side here. So I'm going to be making a serve for Tommy and I today. So I'm going to be putting in 500 mils of milk. I'm fast forwarding this. There we go. Now I've got 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. It is so good for you and it's a little bit bitter. So we're going to sweeten that up. We've got 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Lastly, I'm putting in half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And that is it. It is that easy. Let's get blending. So we're making a nice hot chocolate today, so it's about the same length as a soup. The soup program doesn't actually work on this, so we're going to use the manual function to lock in 6 minutes. So that timer function is really handy because I can just set it, walk away, clean up, and then come back when it's done. Let's hit play. And all the way up to high speed. Yay! It's ready. I'm ready for this. Oh, look how steamy that is. Look how foamy it is. I love it. That smells absolutely perfect. It's steaming hot. It's nice and frothy. What a beautiful texture. Tommy, this is our moment. That one's for you. Cheers.
Cheers.
That is so much better than milk from the fridge. That is frothy, beautiful flavors. I hope you try it and I hope you love it. Happy blending.